In this short video, I'm going to show you how to stabilize a video in Premiere Pro in 2024. So what you have to do first is just to import your video. So here where you have your project, click Control plus I, or you can just manually go to import here, right click and import, drag your video, import your video. And now what you have to do is to go to Effects and here just write Warp Stabilizer. Grab this and drag it onto your video. Now we just have to wait to analyze the video in the background. Also, I forgot to mention to show you that this video there is I do have some shaky. This video needs stabilization, and this video it is shaky. So just have to wait. Now depends on your video. Also, this video is from Pixabay. I'll link this video in the description of this video. Okay, and now if actually Control plus Z, or just remove this, just because I just want to show you that there is shaky. This video it is shaky indeed. And now after you wait for the completion of the video for the process to complete, as you can see the video is still moving left and right, and I don't want that. It's not really indeed really steady and really forceful and really hard shaky, but I still don't want this. So to fix this, if the first method didn't work, just drag and drop the warp stabilization is to change your results. Instead of results smooth motion is to change to nose motion, and this should fix the problem. And if that still didn't work, you still have some really weird warp, is to instead of using surface space warp, just use position, scale, and rotation. All right, and just wait for the process to complete. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Also, I'll link in the description of this video a longer video explaining if even this didn't work, you're gonna have to use Adobe After Effects, a really simple method. So make sure you watch that video if you didn't find this tutorial helpful. And now, thank you so much for watching. And if you have any suggestions for the next video, let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.